Ooh.
Yeah.
This is Japan, baby.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Bigger.
No. He says. Wait, I will not say it.
Say it.
No. But
I'll beep it. Say it.
you say the diga.
Biba.
Or Nick.
No. Not the N word.
I thought it was like this.
Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3.
Free drink. Okay, now we go there.
Let me try to see.
A metro near. It's like around.
You have the address. I
Yeah.
don't have it. You know it. Me,
I
I
have,
don't.
it's like 36 minutes from here, so let's see how we can
But I
get
missed
there.
the beginning, but
Yeah.
life is life. You could have waited.
Look how packed is this place.
I mean, the metro station should not be.
It's packed. I think people are standing outside looking for the fireworks or maybe. Oh man, this place is packed and the firework already started. So we came until here. I don't think so we're gonna see the fireworks, but
Life is life.
life is life.
Yeah.
We see the people. I have never seen this packed metro. Sheesh. Wow. Wow, what the hell is happening? Shit. Look at that crowd.
Well, there's no way he was stressing. So many Japanese.
Yep. Sorry. Man, he left. I gotta fucking find him again. Okay, I found him. Shit. It's crazy crowded here. I've never seen this much of crowd. Not even in America. Alrighty, there we go. And it's ended. The moment we arrived, it ended.
That's it. Bro, there was nothing special.
Exactly. But why is there so much crowd?
Because they never see this kind of stuff, bro. I mean, I never.
Okay,
saw this kind of crowd.
let's stand here.
Let's go straight, bro.
I think it will be better view from here, to be honest. There will be better, like.
Let's ask again. Konnichiwa, you speak English?
No English.
No Japanese.
Japanese.
Boom here. Here.
Boom here.
Okay, here good.
Okay.
Arigato.
Arigato.
Gozaimasu.
Boom here.
Boom boom.
I think it'll be better just over here. Yeah. We're going into the head. Let's go into the head. Sawarika. Oh man. It's, yeah, that's what I was doing. Oh man, people, so many people. Nice. Okay, we should stand here now.
There we go.
Yeah, let's be together because you don't have internet.
Here is okay.
Okay, this is okay. Alrighty, rock, paper, scissors for a free drink. Let's do it.
Okay.
He do it. You do for me.
The blue. Blue color. Mine is inside. Stay cold. Stay cold. Stay cold. Stay cold.
Let's stay cold. Okay, stay cold.
Me, okay.
You, me.
Okay.
Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3.
Free drink. Bro, now rules and rules.
Okay, thank you.
Now we are
Okay,
here.
now we're here. Free drink.
Have a nice day. Thank
You are
you.
the best.
Okay, thank you. Now please drink.
Now we try.
Now we try. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Wait.
Open.
Open.
I open for you.
Okay, you open
Can
for
you
me.
hold this?
Sure, bro.
I take the pink because, you know, be careful, huh?
Okay.
Ah,
Okay.
wait. Okay, now it's open.
Your feeling, please. Okay.
Feel the breeze.
Can I have a
Feel the
GoPro?
breeze. Yeah.
Feeling, please. Okay.
Well, you don't do kampa?
Kanpai. Okay.
Oh,
Delicious.
This is good. Delicious.
Bo, bo, bo. Thank you, thank
This
you.
is good.
Okay. Thank you.
it's good when it's free.
Thank you for listening. Thank
Party.
Subscribe. Good.
Yeah, thank you.
Bacteria.
Okay. Free drink won by Goktan. You know, this is what happens when you win a free 300 yen drink from these good guys. Japan. Oh shit, there is shawarma over there even better. It's good. Maybe I was too thirsty. That was good. Wow! Wow, that's different shit. Dude,
I didn't record it, but
I got it,
Yeah,
I got
know.
it, I go. Dude, that's crazy.
I know, nah. Because when it started at the beginning, it was like, what's going on?
You know, this is the strongest one. Wow.
I think this is the strongest one until now. You could, yeah, because it's coming on us. Yeah. Wait, okay, I'm glad that we couldn't find a spot, but then I'm glad at the end we actually found a spot.
Yeah, the spot. Yeah, you see when you leave to the flow.
Yeah, you let it go. Like
There you go, and you will end up with a good experience.
Yep.
Meeting people in the middle, rock, paper, scissors.
Knock people is a
Like-
free drink,
Yeah,
and at the end we got the perfect spot where I could show you guys. Like we had no clue it's gonna be like this.
Johnny, you are missing with us, bro.
Ah, this bro is very good. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. This is Japan, baby. Bigger.
No, he says, wait, I will not say it.
Say it.
No, but
I'll beep it. Say it.
you say the diga
Biba.
or Nick.
No. Not the N-word.
I thought it was like this.
All right, people. So I think the day is gonna end here because we're heading back home. We have to go to Kyoto tomorrow, and it's gonna be a long day. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, subscribe. So we'll see you guys tomorrow from Kyoto. You guys have fun, and I'm gonna have fun in Japan. Take care. Bye bye.